Hi guys, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be having a breakfast scramble, a cheesy scramble. So we got some eggs. We gotta admit, American cheese is perfect for this. Got bacon and green onion. And then we got ramen. I'm going to put about 2 cups of water in here. And I'm going to take our soup base from one of the packets, just the one, we don't need both, and put that in, and we'll use both the dried vegetable packets. Now I'm using a gourmet spicy shin ramen. It just mainly has a beefy, savory, mushroomy, earthy taste to it. So it works perfectly for this. And what I'm gonna let this do is come to a boil and keep it covered. Okay guys, now our noodles, you can see there, have gotten sufficiently softer. And we're just gonna let some of this water boil off as we add in the bacon and green onion. Now the bacon is lightly cooked, the onion is not yet cooked. We'll let that flavor spread through the sauce. And since we're using a ramen flavoring packet in this, I went ahead and I bought myself a low sodium bacon, you know? Now see, this is happening very fast, guys. We're almost already there. Next touch, we need a couple eggs, I think. Uno. Dos. Porque no tres. Yeah, let's go for 3. And I'm gonna turn off the heat completely. So we're basically done cooking, and the egg will cook in here nicely, and we just stir. Just stir, stir, stir. It's like breakfast carbonara. All I'm trying to do is keep it from clumping up too much. Blend it in and make a yummy, yummy thick sauce. And to help with that thickness, and to make it a cheesy scramble, we added 3 eggs. Let's add uno, dos, 3 slices of cheese. Break those up, stir them throughout. They should kind of melt and dissolve in within a minute or so. A couple final touches that I like to have on mine: a tiny bit of rice vinegar. You know the stuff. And chili oil. We're really gonna spice it up. Yeah. All right, boys and girls, are you ready for these sloppy boy sounds? Lord knows, I don't know if I have enough right here. You guys think this will be enough? It's still steamy hot. Breakfast on point, guys. Bacon and onion together are 2 of my favorite flavors. And they work so well with the mushroom salty heartiness of the ramen and its vegetable packet.
And the egg gives you a velvety texture. And of course the cheese. You don't want to use too much or it gets really thick. But for 2 packs of ramen, 3 slices of cheese is a perfect blend. I was a little bit worried that I dropped in too much chili oil, but so far, perfect spice blend. Of course, the egg and the cheese work to kind of soak up some of that spiciness. And this is a very filling dish. On the cheap, just use 2 packs of ramen. You could use even, the cheapest kind of ramen you could find and just buy, beef or oriental flavor. I think those would work. The chicken flavor might be weird. I don't think that would work right. Honestly, this is probably enough food for 3 or 4 people for a nice breakfast. A bowl or a plate of this, a nice cup of coffee. I love water. It's so refreshing. Well, I think I've had my fill for now. I'm going to save the rest of this for a nice dinner when I get back home from my evening walk. So good. But I hope you'll try it. It's very simple. It's very good. Please don't skip on the green onions. They're so important to the flavor. They and the bacon just make sweet love in there. Anyways, enjoy, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.